adjustments. I got this one done. Your size is going to be a 16 thousandths for your intake. I thought it was a 14, good thing I checked. So basically all I do, just so I could start from scratch, I always back this off all the way, put this in here like this, and then just turn that down. I just kind of get it close. And this is how I do it, you know. You'll find your own little way to do it. I like to make sure there's kind of a snug drag on it. And then just tighten your jam nut up. Be careful the wrench doesn't slip there and smash your fingers. I already did that. And then I always, once that's tight, I like to double check it. That one seems pretty good. I always like to check it too there to make sure I can get it back in there. So on that one I can get back in there, so that's pretty good right there. And then, let me just try to make sure this is tight here. Oh yeah, that's tight. Okay. And then double check it again, just to make sure, because sometimes this screw will move there and it'll throw your adjustment off. So that seems like it's pretty tight. Yep. Okay. Yep, that's good. All right, that one's good. Wipe the oil off here. Mark this one. And we're at top dead center number 1 right now. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 4. We'll rotate the engine 360 degrees, and then we'll do 2, 5, and 6. So, oh yeah, basically that's all you. That's how you do it. Just so there's all orange here.